Hi guys, it's BellaGemaNails, and today I'm going to teach you how to convert this $3 cuff into a unique masterpiece. If you'd like to learn how to make this, just keep on watching. From this to this. This time I'm going to be using these items. This chain was about $2. This one was $1, and this cuff was $3. And I'm going to be using the leftover stones from my last project to embellish this cuff. I bought all these items, with the exception of these, at a store in downtown LA. The owner is super sweet and nice, and if you want me to vlog the next time I go shopping for items, let me know in the comments below and I'll see if I could talk to the owner and I could show you his store and maybe pop him into a video because he is such a gem and I love visiting that location. So if you're ever in the downtown LA area, I'll post the link below so you could check out his store. So the purpose of this cuff is, or these metal pieces, I wanted to kind of create a snake print with chain on the cuff. So that's kind of the look that I'm going for. So of course you can use any embellishments you want, but that is the look that I want to create. So just keep watching. Place the glue right on the center first and then glue the sides. Check for symmetry. Check for symmetry on the other side as well. And let the center dry before you stick on the sides, and do one side at a time just to make sure that it does not slip or that the glue does not ooze everywhere. Okay guys, so the next step is to add the center stones. Now, I determined that the best option for this cuff, because it's narrow, is to add this elongated stone right on the center. You could also add a bigger stone. The thing with this is you're going to have to balance the gemstone on the chain, and that can be a bit tricky because you're going to only be able to glue the stone to the edges of the chain, and that may fall with time. So because they're heavy, I don't want to risk it, although I'm pretty gentle with my stuff, but I'm going to go with this one because aesthetically, I feel that it fits the cuff beautifully. Okay, so that's what we're going to do next. Make sure that it is centered. Okay, so let that dry with tape and then we're going to move on to the sides. Okay guys, so here is the finished product. It is such a beauty. You can see that it does not look like it is a $3 cuff. The chain really makes it bold, and the center stone, well, of course, gives it that sparkle. And I love the texture of the small link chain underneath it. It does not look like a $3 cuff, and I really love that. See, you can have your own custom piece without spending a fortune. This piece is very different from the last cuffs that I designed, which were the cocoa-inspired cuffs, but they were also inexpensive. If you liked this project, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up or pop a comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.